welcome to another video from inside the Denali Design Lab. Today we are going to take a quick look at this fully outfitted 2021 Yamaha Ténéré 700. We had the bike in for development quite a while back, but the bike has been fully customized with all of our new Denali products, and we've been getting a lot of requests to get a rundown of everything we have on this Ténéré 700. So let's start with a quick overview of all the different products we've put on this Ténéré 700. Starting on the top here, we have our flush mount T3 turn signals. These will run white and flash amber with your turn signals. And this is a modular design. We have them mounted on the handguards on this Ténéré, and we'll demo a lot of these products in just a minute here. Moving down and backing up here, we have our new D3. This is the TriOptic Hybrid light, and we have this mounted on our universal crash bar light mount. That's going to be our distance lights. That's putting light way down range. And then you can see down low, we're using an amber D2, and that's going to give you all of the visibility and some of that light output cutting through fog and rainy conditions. If I walk my way around the bike this way, we move up to the dash here, and you'll see our new Rally phone mount. That's going to position a phone directly above the gauge, and it's mounted on our machined clamp and powered through a wireless charging cradle. So that just makes it super easy to see where you're going, charge your phone without having to mess with plugging it in and out every time you're putting it on the bike. In the rear, we got a super unique setup here. We got a pair of the T3 rear flush mounts mounted in the undertail, and those are gonna create a red run and brake with an amber turn, and you can see just how visible those are from the rear of the bike. And in order to do a tail tidy, this is a sweet trick for you Ténéré owners. It's literally just a flat bracket from here to here and from here to here, and we don't need any lighting on that because we have run, brake, and turn in the tail section. So one of the coolest products we have on this Ténéré 700 is our all new dial dim lighting controller. That's the module there under the seat, and then that's just gonna have two circuits, a blue circuit and a green circuit, for controlling two different sets of auxiliary lights, and those are both powered through our super clean dial dim switch. So right here you can see it mounted to the handlebars, and it's controlling the blue circuit, my main D3 driving lights. I can dim them up and down, jump up and down with the factory high beam switch. But if I double click, now I'm controlling the green circuit, and I can dim those up and down and have those also jump from low to high intensity with the high beam. Now, thanks to a vehicle specific wiring harness, which I can show you guys right here, this plugs into the dial dim. It's gonna plug into the Ténéré's headlight, left turn, right turn, and horn, and that's gonna unlock all the unique features that you can only get in a dial dim lighting controller, which is going to flash the lights with your horn and cancel your main lights with your turn signals, and if you want to, flash your amber lights with your turn signals. So let's take a quick look at that feature. I'm gonna click on my left turn signal, and if we swing around to the front of the bike, you're gonna see that my amber D2 is flashing as a turn signal, and it canceled my D3. The other super cool feature is the ability to flash all of your auxiliary lights when you sound your horn. Hit it, Ned. And that's gonna get you all that kind of extra attention on the road, keep other vehicles out of your way. So I know we didn't go into too much detail on any of these products or how to install them, but definitely check the link in the description where we can send you guys to our outfitting guide specifically for this Ténéré, and it goes over every possible product that we have available, how to install them. So definitely subscribe if you guys want to see more content on this bike or any others. And until then, ride safe, and we'll see you soon.